Hey, what's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
Not much, just hanging out.
You want to meet up later on?
Yeah, I can shoot you a text.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay, today we're looking at the Ampulla bike tail light. Here's what you've got out of the box. You get the bike tail light, which is amazing. And then here's all your components. You've got the remote to mount on the front handlebars. You've got your USB charger, your twist ties to put it on, and then here's your bracket for the rear mount, and your instruction guide that will show you how to do it. Okay, let me show you how the tail light works. You just use the remote and you can just turn it on by holding the center piece down. Alright, so that's your standard light. It will just stay on like that as long as you hold it down. Now when you're riding, and I'll show you this in a minute when I have it mounted on the bike, this backlight is just your brake and it just intensifies the light. If you push down, you can't really see it there, but that gives you a laser line, so it shows kind of the lane and you can make it flash. If you're turning right, it'll just give you the right turn signal, left turn signal, and then if you hit on, stop. If you hit the middle, you can go through the different modes. So there's a flashing mode, off, and then back on. So a bunch of cool different modes. Top also will switch the modes, so if you just want to not turn it off, but if you want to just cycle between flashing and solid. So there it is, let's go get it mounted.
Quad Lock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. It provides easy access to your smartphone and is perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. The Quad Lock bike kit is supplied with everything needed to mount your smartphone on your bike stem or handlebars. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. Quad Lock is perfect for tracking your fitness, navigating your ride, and taking quick photos on the go. The Quad Lock mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over even the roughest terrain. Quad Lock makes for a great everyday case. With its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The Quad Lock case will keep your smartphone safe thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection and microfiber lining. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad Lock is the world's best solution. Quad Lock, smartphone mounting for an active lifestyle.
We'll be right back.